Good morning to all the viewers and listeners. I am P. Ramakrishnaya, President of BC United Front. I want to speak on this Rahul Gandhi's summons from ED. Since 4 days, he is attending the ED inquiries, and ED is grilling. What is that they are grilling? I don't know. I don't understand what it is. Actually, the Associated General Limited has been established by Mr. Nehruji in 1930 with 500 shareholders. Mainly, the shareholders are freedom fighters. Then he has actually is the main aim of this Associate General, and which has circulated nation and world, and two other language newspapers. That is just to enlighten what the atrocities the British is enforcing on Indians. This is what exactly he wants to spread it through literature, through media, print media. That's why this is a good act of Mr. Nehru. Then we got 1947, we got already independence, and in 1950 we got republic. Our India became a republic, and then afterwards we had a constitution. Then the Congress was ruling this one. Nehru ji has expired in 1965, I think. Then subsequently the Iron Lady Indira Gandhi also got expired. Then the Mr. Rajiv Gandhi, who became subsequently as a Prime Minister, he also was assassinated. Then Mr. Narasimha Rao came, Mr. Manmohan Singh came. They are experts in economy, and they revived the economy of India. And it is, everybody knows. But later, in 2013, then in 2010, actually, the Congress party wants to revive this National Herald. So they discussed about the issue, Congress party. Then they wanted actually how much loan was there, how can it be revived. Then some people said, okay, they have got 90 crores debt, so that debt has to be cleared. Then Congress party has given 90 crores loan, extended loan to AJL, Associate Generals Limited. Then so Associate General, whether if at all they want to have Associate General, then again it is already 1930 to 2010. It is long period, So they wanted actually another unit, Young Indian Limited, they formed, and for that Mr. Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi were having shareholders, 76% shareholders, and other 2% were Fernandez Garu, Oscar Fernandez, as well as Motilal Vora. These two were again having 24% stake. This is what the media has said. So, okay, it's all quite all right. Then, to take up the issue, to take up this one, who has to do? Young Indian Limited has to do it, they decided. And Young India Limited paid 50 lakhs for revival to AJL. And also, they requested the Congress party to waive off this 90 crores loan also, which has been waived off. So it seems this AJL has got immovable properties and properties of Bombay, this Delhi and all, near about 2,000 crores. And so Mr. Subramania Swamy was an RSS member as well as a BJP member, and also he was minister in the Janata government. He filed a complaint against this, claiming that, alleging that it is a money laundering is involved. His questions were, without 1,000 shareholders now existing, without their permission, how can the properties as well as the properties of AGL has been transferred for just paying 50 lakhs by Young Indian Limited. Therefore, their shareholders, main shareholders, Mrs. Sonia Gandhi as well as Mr. Rahul Gandhi, they have definitely has taken over 2,000 crores worth property for just 50 lakhs. There is this is a money laundering case and all the things. He filed it, and ultimately, this is a legal battle going on. But this legal battle will continue. So what they did now 2024. See, 2013, one term has gone, Modi's term. Second term came. In the second term, now, first term, why he did not take up these issues? Why ED slept? Because at that time, Narendra Modi was, in 2014, he was not elected. They were not sure that BJP government will get formed. But after getting formed, they kept silent. Okay, they are happy that government has come and all the things. And they did not. Then later, the legal battle was going on. Then ED came into picture because legal battle is something different. ED is something different. And ED, as it seems that near about 20 crores are worth or something like that from Bombay, it has been seized also by ED. With all this, what I feel, see, BJP, if they are so clean in the corruption or in the money launderings, how could they admit Mr. Sujana Chaudhary, who is laundered money like anything, and it was reported, and he is already he has attended the court also many times in Hyderabad, and such people, and Mr. CM Ramesh and such people, all from other parties, they joined BJP, and afterwards there is no ED in this one, or there is no case. Gone with the wind. ED's inquiry is gone with the wind. And that means whenever anybody joins BJP, he may do any damn nonsense. But Narendra Modi, what he is doing, he is taking him to Varanasi and dipping him into Ganga. So that his all sins have gone and he became clean, and therefore he admitted into BJP. Is it that way? I think this is the way. I think. Otherwise, how could they be cleaned? How could Jagan can be with Narendra Modi? When he is a corrupt, established corrupt person. And he was in jail for 18 months. And still it is going on. There was money laundering to the extent of crores and crores, thousands, lakhs of crores. And such people you are taking him because for support, political support. So, see, these are all the things you think, I think BJP leadership thinks that people are not analyzing this. They definitely will analyze. I think summoning Rahul Gandhi continuously for 4 days, it is unworthy. It is a political vendetta. It is clearly getting seen by the Indian mob as a political vendetta. It does not have any support from the people. And rather, they will get definitely sympathy. Now we do one thing. Now 23rd, Mrs. Sonia Gandhi is coming. She is already sick. She has joined in Gangaram Hospital. And she is sick also. Everybody knows she has gone to America and got operated. So many things were there. So you call her also. You harass her like Rahul Gandhi. Then what happens, sympathy will grow to Congress. 100% I am telling you. And once sympathy is grown, I think Narendra Modi is easy above 75. No, I don't think. So why third term? I think he is not interested. So that's why he is doing all these things. So I don't actually appreciate the person who has come from the poorest of the poor family will try to harass the people like this. No, the people, see now you see, you said so many things, that all the monies in the Swiss banks, it will be brought and that will be distributed at least 25 lakhs, I think, more something like that, to all the people, Indians. It is not done. It is only a political speech. Everybody knows. But afterwards, Nirav Modi has gone and Malaya has gone, and they also should be brought and dipped in the Varanasi, Ganga, so that they will also become clean. So it is really something strange what I am seeing. So I advise actually BJP leadership, think, see, tomorrow your government will go. That means about what is the connections between you and all the things. Now you see, he claimed that when Farido or something like that, Sri Lanka State Electricity Board chairman, he claimed that in the parliamentary panel, he gave evidence that Mr. Rajpaksha told him that Mr. Narendra Modi is pressurizing him to allot this 500 megawatt solar energy plant to Adani's. Then it was a controversy was there. Then afterwards he took back his words and resigned also. Resigned means what? Resigned means under pressure he withdrew those words because president has pressurized him. But he resigned means what? He is independent now. He does not want to work under such bosses who go back on their particular informations which they gave to electricity board chairman. So he resigned. So on this all, again there will be a complaint and there will be what are the connections for you, for Mr. Narendra Modi with Adani and group and Ambani group and all the things. It should be investigated. There may be a CBI inquiry. Some MP will give a complaint. There will be CBI inquiry. So inquiry will go on. Is this the way of ruling the country? If people only work for political vendetta, or you people work for development of the country? So I think that we have to work for development of country, leaving aside, this is a least preference, taking political vendetta. That should be the motive of all the political parties. And I really sympathize the Congress party, and I feel that in the before 2024 elections, we will bring out all the things, whatever Modi ji has done for the BCs, why BCs have to again totally support him for the third term. I don't think, because already caste census was not done, which is a pivotal of BC's development. Only a subcategorization has not been done. It is only Rohini Commission Justice Rohini Commission is pending since 6 years. What is the use? Without census, how can they do it? We know all the things. Why you have done this? And 10% for EBC, economically backward classes, why did you give? That also controversy is there. Mr. Justice Iswaraya, who was he was chairman for NCBC, National Commission for Backward Classes, as he himself has said that how could you give for 20% people 20, even 15% people, Muslims will have 15% or 20% people. How could you give 10%? So that is their argument. Actually, that as a background is something else. I know that. But yet, these are all the things will come into controversy. And you have not done anything for the BCs, Mr. Narendra Modi. And I think I am also, even though I am a strong supporter of you in 2014, but now I feel that I have to support Congress, which has done a lot of things for the backward classes without without any leader claiming that. They themselves in 2005, Mrs. Meera Kumari has conducted a backward classes commissions meeting through all the states, and she took a lot of decisions, and those decisions were implemented, and this caste census is also one of that, and empowerment of NCB is also one of that, and as well as the educational higher education reservations is one of that, which they implemented in 2008, and as well as the subcategorization is one of that, and a lot of things. Mere about 6 major decisions and 20 about small decisions were taken. They are all implemented, but when it may be a delay in caste census, 2011 they did it, and if they would have come to power in 2015, definitely they would have announced that figures, and which you did not do it, and now you totally buried that 2011 caste census, and Mr. Rajnath Singh said in 2019 that they will do, if comes to second term power, they will do caste census. Gone, that also has gone. See, all these things, it is all deceiving BCs, backward classes. So for that, you people will pay the remuneration. You people will pay the penalty. Okay, thank you. Hope I have cleared everything. I felt it that yes, there is something which I have to speak, and I spoke, and I am thankful to all the people who are listening this video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you very much.